In recent years, there's been a noticeable shift in the camera industry, with more and more people leaning towards mirrorless cameras. These innovative devices have emerged as game changers, offering a more portable and lightweight alternative without compromising overall quality. In this video, we're going to suggest to you the 5 best mirrorless cameras that you can buy in 2023 to keep up with the current industry trend. First, we have Fujifilm, which has incorporated its latest 40-megapixel BSI X-Trans CMOS APS-C sensor into the X-T5. In the realm of photography, this sensor, coupled with the X-Processor 5 high-speed image processing engine, produces reliable results. The X-T5 now offers a mechanical shutter capable of capturing shots at 15 frames per second. It features dual UHS-2 SD card slots, though it lacks ProRes modes. While the X-T5 is capable of shooting videos, it's not as versatile in this aspect as the X-H2. It does not support 8K recording, instead offering 6.2K footage with a 1.22x crop. Although supports 10-bit H.265 or 8-bit H.264 in F-Log2, F-Log, or HLG formats. The X-T5 utilizes the same battery as its predecessors and can record up to 6.2K at 30 FPS for 90 minutes, or 4K at 60 FPS for 60 minutes. It is particularly well suited for genres such as wildlife photography and documentary work. In addition to its performance enhancements, Fujifilm has taken user feedback into account and reintroduced the classic aesthetics, dials, and display mechanisms from the X-T3. So there's no major throwback considering the price. Coming up next, the Lumix S5 Mark II is a semi-professional grade camera designed to meet the needs of photographers and videographers. It is equipped with a full-frame 24.2 megapixel sensor and the powerful Venus engine, ensuring exceptional image and video quality. The camera supports 6K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K video recording at 60 FPS, utilizing a Super 35 crop. It also offers the capability to capture high-resolution photos using a 96-megapixel multi-shot mode, as well as fast 30 FPS e-shutter shooting with C autofocus and raw capture. A notable improvement in the S5 Mark II is the inclusion of on-sensor phase detection autofocus, combining depth awareness and subject recognition tracking for quicker and more precise autofocus performance. The camera's in-body image stabilization has also been enhanced. It incorporates dual native ISO technology to minimize the noise in low-light situations and allows for shooting full sensor height 3x2 open-gate video. Additionally, the Lumix S5 Mark II supports 14+ stop V-Log and V-Gamut capture and offers industry-standard LUT functions, making it highly suitable for color grading purposes. Now, the Canon R6 Mark II introduces a new 24.2 full-frame CMOS sensor that differs from both BSI and stacked designs. However, this sensor offers significant improvements and serves as a worthwhile upgrade from the EOS R6. With its mechanical shutter, it can capture images at a maximum rate of 12 FPS, while the electronic shutter allows for an impressive 40 FPS. The body of the camera showcases some notable changes, such as the relocation of the power button to accommodate the new photo and video mode dial. The autofocus system has also been enhanced, now capable of tracking human eyes, animals, and vehicles. When it comes to video capabilities, the R6 Mark II can record 4K footage at 60 FPS in full frame mode without any time limitations. This means that you have the freedom to shoot as much as you desire. The camera shares the same image stabilization technology as the R5 and R6 models. Canon appears to have focused primarily on upgrading the sensor while incorporating favorable features from the R6 and R3 models. With its impressive video capabilities and powerful still shooting performance, the R6 Mark II emerges as a worthy contender on our list. Next up, the A7R V boasts a 61-megapixel sensor like its predecessor, but it benefits from the newer processor found in the A1 model. As a result, the A7R V now has the capability to shoot full-frame videos up to 4K at 24 and 30 FPS. It also stands out as the first camera in the A7 lineup to support 8K recording, allowing for 8K footage at 24p with a 1.2x crop. The camera's 3.2-inch LCD screen features a highly impressive tilt-flip mechanism with 4-axis multi-angle functionality. Sony has introduced a new menu system and implemented internal 10-bit S-Log2 and S-Log3 color sampling across all video modes. This enhancement greatly improves tonal reproduction and provides greater flexibility during post-production. The A7R V incorporates real-time recognition autofocus with 7 selectable target types, utilizing deep learning AI processing to significantly enhance subject recognition. Additionally, its 5-axis image stabilization sets it apart from other A7 cameras, offering up to 8 stops of stabilization through a combination of a high-performance gyro sensor and optimized algorithm for precise shake control. While the specifications may appear flat on paper, Sony retains its position as the leader in hybrid cameras with the impressive A7R V model. Last but not least, the Z8 camera is a compact and sturdy device, which is smaller than the Z9 but slightly heavier. It shares similarities in grip and dials placement with the D850, making it the mirrorless counterpart of that model. The Z8 includes features like an autofocus joystick, customizable buttons, and a control panel. It utilizes a stacked CMOS chip that ensures a responsive viewfinder experience, and it's notable for being the first Nikon camera to offer dual USB-C ports. The smaller size of the Z8 is achieved by using a smaller battery. In terms of performance, the Z8 impresses with its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and X-Speed 7 processor, enabling fast raw photo capture at 20 FPS. It supports 10-bit HEIF files for capturing HDR images and replaces the mechanical shutter with a shutter shield mechanism. Autofocus readings are obtained at an impressive rate of up to 120 FPS. For video capabilities, the Z8 can record 8K video at 30 FPS and 4K video at up to 120 FPS. However, the recording time is limited due to the camera's smaller body design. In our opinion, it's as good as you can get. So this was our list of the 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2023 that you should consider. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.